The accounting industry is undergoing a major transformation, fueled by rapid advancements in artificial intelligence and accounting automation. These new tools are streamlining financial processes, reducing errors, and reshaping what it means to work in finance. Traditional bookkeeping and manual data entry are quickly giving way to software that can capture data automatically, analyze information instantly, and support better decision-making. As the field continues to shift, accountants are moving into roles that focus more on strategy and less on repetitive tasks. AI-driven platforms, automated workflows, and smarter financial systems are making it easier for CPAs and finance teams to work faster and produce more accurate results. In this article, we'll look at the areas where AI and automation are making the biggest impact. We'll cover the accounting tools CPAs should be using by 2026, how automation improves accuracy and saves time, the rise of AI-supported audits, and the question everyone is asking right now: will AI replace accountants? The answers show how technology is changing the profession and what the future of accounting is starting to look like. Top accounting tools every CPA should know in 2026. The rapid rise of accounting technology has introduced a range of AI-supported tools that are changing the way CPAs manage their workload. By 2026, cloud platforms and automation features will be essential for firms that want to work faster, reduce errors, and handle more clients without burning out. Below are some of the tools shaping the next era of digital accounting. Cloud-based accounting software. Programs like QuickBooks Online, Xero, and FreshBooks allow CPAs to review financial data from any location and work with clients in real time. These systems automate routine tasks such as expense tracking and bank reconciliation, removing hours of manual work and helping accountants stay organized. Specialized tools for CPAs. Dedicated tools for payroll, tax work, and financial reporting can make life easier for both firms and clients. Bill.com helps simplify payments, while Expensify makes expense tracking quicker and more accurate. These tools support smoother workflows and help CPAs stay consistent. Integration and scalability. Choose software that connects well with the rest of your systems. As your client base grows, using tools that scale with your practice ensures steady operations and reduces the need to switch platforms later. How automation improves accuracy and saves time. Automation is now a standard part of modern accounting. It reduces repetitive tasks, cuts down on mistakes, and gives CPAs more time to focus on meaningful work. Streamlining data entry. Automated tools can import transactions, categorize them, and match them to the correct accounts. This replaces hours of manual entry and reduces the chance of errors that come from typing or misreading receipts. Workflow automation. Automating steps like invoice approvals, payment reminders, and filing deadlines makes your process more dependable. It keeps your team on track and reduces the stress that comes from last-minute tasks. Accuracy and compliance. Automation supports accuracy by keeping records up to date, generating clear reports, and highlighting irregular activity. This helps CPAs stay aligned with regulations and gives clients more confidence in their numbers. AI-powered audits. What they mean for the industry. Audits are vital but time-consuming. With AI and machine learning becoming more common, the audit process is entering a new stage that blends speed with deeper analysis. How AI enhances audits. AI can review large amounts of data quickly and spot trends that may not be obvious. It identifies unusual activity, compares patterns, and flags anything that needs a closer look. This lets CPAs focus on explanations and recommendations instead of sorting through spreadsheets. Benefits for clients. Clients gain quicker turnaround times, clearer insights, and fewer errors. AI-supported audits also help uncover areas where money can be saved or where compliance issues might arise. Preparing for change. CPAs should explore these tools early. Learning how to use AI in the audit process boosts efficiency and keeps your practice competitive. Will accountants be replaced? The real answer. As AI continues to grow in accounting, many wonder whether accountants will still be needed. The answer is yes. Technology may reshape the job, but it won't remove the human element that financial work depends on. Human expertise still matters. AI can organize information, but it can't replace sound judgment, ethical decisions, or long-term planning. Clients rely on CPAs for guidance that goes beyond numbers on a page. Evolving roles. Accountants are moving toward advisory work, financial planning, and deeper analysis. Automation simply removes the tasks that slow them down. Staying relevant. Those who combine technical knowledge with strong communication and client-focused thinking will continue to thrive. Adopting new tools gives CPAs more room to grow and deliver better service. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.